Hello. In this episode we will test some charging cables for mobile phones. The following micro USB cables: Remax RC 129M, Hoco X25, Remax RC 160M, and Borofone BX19 Type-C cable. We will test these cables with a tester that will bend them 180 degrees as many times as needed until they break. These cables are tested under voltage at approximately 5.2 volts, with a load of approximately 1.2 amps. We tied a weight of 100 grams on each cable. The cables were tested at a voltage of 5.2 volts, this being an average after measuring the voltage at several chargers. I tested 2 pieces of each cable model, and averaged the results. Remax RC 129M at 5.2 volts and 2 amps load has an efficiency of 87.88%, and broke at 8,228 bends. Hoco X25 at 5.2 volts and 2 amps load has an efficiency of 86.83%, and broke at 2,522 bending. Remax RC 160M at 5.2 volts and 2 amps load has an efficiency of 85.20% and broke at 3,617 bends. Borofone BX19 at 5.2 volts and 2 amps load has an efficiency of 87.21% and broke at 2,480 bends. In conclusion, the Remax 129M cable has the best efficiency and resistance of the tested cables.